Start the day with a song and sing the whole day through. Even while you're busy working, do just like the birdies do. Though the day may be long, you never will go wrong. Off key, on key, any old key, just start the day with a song.
Pardon me. I beg your pardon.
Yes, sir.
My golden slippers, that's wine to wear. Tasty look so neat. Pardon me, folks. I got a frog in my throat. Oh, give me golden slippers. Oh, give me golden slippers. Give me golden slippers, that's wine to wear. To walk the golden street.
Pardon me. I beg your pardon. You goon. Pardon me. One root beer, please. I beg your pardon.
Jump, flathead.
Let's all join in and sing about that grand old river boat, the Robert E. Lee. Just follow the bouncing ball.
One day shuffling along, feeling shuffling along. Go take your best gal, real pal. Go down to the levee, I said to the levee, and then join that shuffling throng. Hear that music and song, it's simply great. Mate, waiting on the levee, waiting for the Robert E. Lee. and enjoy that shuffling throng. Hear that music and song. It's simply great. Maine, waiting on the levee, waiting for the Robert E. Lee. I've been shopping along, we've been shopping along. So take your best down, real pal. Go down to the levee, I said to the levee, and enjoy that shuffling throng. Hear that music and song, it's simply great. Maine, waiting on the levee, waiting for the Robert E. Lee.
Pardon me.